Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to export high quality video from KineMaster. This will help your video look clear, sharp and professional. First, you need to open your KineMaster, tap on plus icon to import your video. After that, complete your video editing in KineMaster. Make sure your clip, music, text and effect are ready. Preview your video once to check everything. Now look at the top right corner, tap the export or share button. You will see different export settings on the screen. Select the resolution based on your needs. 720p normal quality, 1080 for full HD, 4K for ultra high quality. For most users, 1080p is the best choice. Choose the frame rate 30 fps for normal video, 60 for the smooth motion video. Now set the bitrate. Higher bitrate is equals to better quality. Medium to higher bitrate is recommended. This keeps your video sharp and clear. Now tap export wait while KineMaster render your video. Do not close the app during export. And that's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.